What's the deal, y'all? It's Pthuggin back at it again with another video. And right now I'm on YouTube Live. Yeah, it's not that many people, but say what's up. Yeah, we finna do a food review right now. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Back and better. I got another video. So we finna get some Chinese food. I'm not finna eat the whole shit, so don't say nothing to me. But I am, you know, we got this. We finna start. So yeah, I'm finna go pick it up right now, pay for it, and then we gonna come back and we gonna see what it's talking about. Just like that, all right? All right, cool. You already know what the fuck going on. Yeah. Anyways, I'm finally here, and I'm finna go in there and y'all know, do my due diligence or whatever and pay for the shit, you feel me? I gotta use my phone though. So y'all not gonna see that part of me paying for it, but y'all gonna see everything else. You feel me? You ready? All right, we going. We going. So y'all, I got the food right here. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. Nah, we finna go back to the palace. We finna turn up, gang. Ooh. We finna turn up, gang. All right, come on, y'all. We in the car. Damn, I just gave good love and y'all, man, stop the bullshit, okay? I gotta set this phone up, bro. Oh, y'all stupid. I use my Apple Pay. I didn't even fucking use my fucking scroll over read the comments. Hold on, I'll fix it right now. Hold up. I'm trying to make sure I don't crash this motherfucker. Make sure I don't already crashed this motherfucker. You know, this motherfucker been through a lot. Alright, I'm finna go back up right now. Hold up. 1,000 for your location, bro. Like, it's never been that deep. You're a bitch. Like, you're not really looking for me. If you would, like, spend that 1,000 and try to figure out where I really am. Bruh. She do have them skinny pencil arms, though. Y'all stupid. That's why I was trolling. How else would she be holding the phone, Nightmare? Come on now. She's still sexy. No, James, chill out, okay? Chill out, gang. Not smart. As if she thinks I can see the story. She's there and everything. Yeah, I am, blood. You still don't know where I'm at. That's sad as fuck, blood. And I'm like 2 minutes away from the same store I was just at, and you're still popping it. But I get it, though. I get it. You want to pop it. I'm going to let you have your little 15, 20 minutes. I know you're not going to be here the next live. You just want to pop it on here. Have fun. I'm going to find you for sure. It's not hard. I swear I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding. Doodle boo boo looking at. You's a bitch, boy. Doodle Bob. That's what you just said. I look like Doodle Bob, bro. Yo, bitch look like Doodle Bob, bitch. Dead homies. Stop popping it. Doodle Bob. Keep thinking that. Blood, nobody's thinking nothing. You's a corn, bro. I'm not worried about you. Look. Niggas is corns, gang. No hat. Stop doing that. That shit not healthy. You want a nigga dick bad, that shit's gonna, bro, you're not gonna, I promise you, that shit not cool, bro. I thought your parents should have told you about that shit. For real. God damn. Big ass motherfucking bros. Anyways. My light gonna turn green. I can't see you in the store right now. Alright, y'all, we back in fucking action. So, yeah, I got some lemonade to wash it down. I got 2 kinds, you feel me? So, yeah, I got them on live still. I'm finna set this phone up right here. Oh, the fucking glare is so bad. I gotta move it. I don't know how I'm supposed to set this motherfucker up because, not gonna lie, y'all. Hold on. I gotta do it like this, bro, because it's a lot going on. My other phone is dead. It's charging right here. My nose itchy so bad. Like, I don't know what's going on. Y'all see that line right here? It's a lot going on. What we doing? This the food right here, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all before I start, you feel me, just smashing on it. You know, I'm always, yeah. It's some Chinese food, though. Chicken bok choy. That's what they call it. You stupid. Hey, Nightmare trolling on here, y'all. Nightmare on here trolling per usual. Alright, let me show y'all the food, y'all. You ready? Y'all ready? Can you see it? Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go. I'm not trying to make this shit spill. Y'all know I don't be trying to make it spill, but y'all could just get a little look at what I'm fucking around with. Y'all want to see it? There y'all go. Y'all got to see it. Nigga, you can't reach the cereal on top of the fridge. How small is you, nigga? You a little shit. Chap, not funny. Stop. Don't do that. Don't do that. Nightmare, do not do that. Do not do that, Nightmare. That is not funny, Nightmare. You thought you ate with that shit. I'm finna fuck you up. Nightmare, I'm finna mess you up, boy. Ooh. Mm-hmm. This shit always slap. Y'all know I'm never exaggerating. I wish I could see my food, bro. But I can't even put it down like that. That shit eat, bro. Bro, I want y'all to see this shit, bro. This shit is good, bro. I gotta keep my head in it. Oh, you know what? It might actually work like this. I just gotta, fuck it. Y'all gonna get to see. Look at that. Y'all see that shit? Come on, baby. Shit, nah. 10-year-olds big as fuck nowadays. You gotta be like 7. If you can't reach the cereal. Come on, bro. Yeah. Sponsored to you by Pthuggin. I'm 14 and I'm 5'11". That's good. On my mama, that's good. On bro, that's good. You up there. You gonna be taller, buddy. Just keep eating your carrots and shit. And your Brussels sprouts, buddy, so you can grow. You feel me? You feel me? Y'all, I got this. Oh shit, I'm spilling rice. Mmm. 14 is wild. I'm out by. We're delicious sprouts. The lemonade good. It's fine. Nightmare. As long as you're not flirting with no 14-year-old, bro, you're good, bro. You can stay here. You feel me? As long as you're not on weird shit, bro. No, this ain't from the gas station. If you buying this from the gas station, that's crazy. You said what? Miss, this shit good as fuck, blood. You trolling, Chap. Bro. Chap, stop. This nigga Chap is trolling. Y'all gotta see this, bro. If I show y'all what he said, y'all gonna be like, he's out of pocket. I can't even read that out loud. Chap is cold. She eating like it's her last meal. Y'all is on here popping it. It's bro chewing is crazy. Bro, y'all making me choking hella shit. Chap, you is trolling, but I'm just saying. Hi, Charlie. Hold on, I gotta sneeze, y'all. Thank you, Charlie. You too, Charlie. Cheers. She might be she might be I'm illiterate, Easton. He said shit might be. I'm illiterate. I'm over here talking about some she might be. Nigga, you is too. Like, that nigga dumb too. What? A rice just went down my shit. Not bad. Look, y'all. I'm gonna get my food. Blood. Look how much I ate. I didn't even eat that much, but I've been smashing this shit for real. I've actually ate a lot. It's just hella rice, bro. Like, but I'm gonna give it an 8 because they got this new bitch working there, bro. I asked her to do half and half. She talking about something. Oh, we don't do that. Okay, bitch. Don't even worry about it. I'm still gonna get my food, bitch. But I didn't get what I wanted, though. You feel me? I don't know what happened to the Asian nigga that used to work there. Bring him back, cause I know he part of y'all family. Anyways, y'all, I can't eat no more, bro. I just choked on the rice and hell and shit. Like, there's a lot going on. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Say hi to my YouTube family. We love y'all. Alright, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know I'm gonna do another one of these soon, bro. I was just hungry. You feel me? So I had to eat something, because a nigga like me had to eat something. But yeah, Pthuggin out.